Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the what if mode of APDL, which is a continuation of a previous video on projected mode, since what if is an extension of the projected mode. If you're not familiar with projected mode and you haven't seen our previous video, go back and watch that now and come back to this video. As I mentioned in the previous video, since projected mode is a live feature of APDL, I can't display it live as it happens, so I'll be using a series of screenshots during this video. To get to this page that I'm viewing right now, you can access what if mode through the menu under the legality section and tap the what if button. So let's say if we know we're going to have a delay, but it hasn't happened yet. Let's say, for example, we have a maintenance delay and we get an estimate from our mechanic that tells us it's going to be a certain time that we're going to be able to be completed with the maintenance issue and be able to depart for that leg. So let's use the same example. We're going to say leg flight 5078. Original scheduled departure time was 16:10. So let's say our mechanic comes and says realistic departure time for this is going to be 1700 local. I can go to the what if page and I can tell APDL I expect to leave at 1700 local. Select that here, type in that time, and then I get this little X pops up that indicates to me that I've entered in a value there. I can adjust any more of these values, any one of these other values that I choose, if I have information for those. In this case, I don't expect that the taxi out, or the taxi in, the turn time, or the flight time is going to be any different. All I expect is that we're going to push late because of the maintenance delay. Now, if I expect we're going to push late because of a maintenance delay, and I also got a reroute from air traffic control, it's going to be a longer route, and I know the flight time is now going to be an hour and 30 minutes instead of an hour and 2 minutes, I can change that as well. So once I've entered in all the adjustments that I'd like to make here, I can go to the legality report from this screen, and I get the same report for the trip sheet, except for this is adjusted based on the predictions that we entered in the what if page. As we see at the top here, we have in red letters, the report is based on assumptions. It's not actual data. It's not actual legality information at this point. It's just a prediction. We also have on the very far right here, next to leg 5078, a little indicator that that leg has been adjusted by what if assumptions. And we can see that the out time shows 1700. And in this example, I didn't change the block time, but I could do that if I needed to. So you can use that for the current leg or the next leg on your current day for what if. Anytime we're looking at the legality report, whether it be the what if version or the actual projected times based on just being delayed in the app using your device time, if any of the projections would result in a scheduled or actual alert, whether it be a legality alert, any type of legality alert, you would get a notification of that from within the app, just like any other notification, as well as displayed here on the report itself. That's all for our video on what if. Thanks for watching.